On Wednesday uzokhumbula because usuyijwayele lo hlelo lwethu. Silenze kakhulu now.
Money matters. Yes.
We help everyone become penny wise. So sisaboleka ke ubuchopho benjula chopho yethu umfoka nonkosi ugugulethu Xaba kade sihleli naye ke. We're still in the middle of a series. We conclude our series today sikhuluma ngama investment. So Nkuli, just to bring you up to speed.
Yes.
Basically we're sikhuluma about creating generational wealth.
Okay.
And finding some means and ways and tools and vehicles to assist us in creating wealth that will outlast us, that will help those that come after us. So we've tackled many other vehicles. Esesikhulume ngakhona. Enye ngiyithandile khulume ngayo nonkosi ngesonto edlule ukhulume ngeproperty. Ukuthi property kwayona is an appreciating asset. So you can buy low and sell high. Wasethi property yona futhi ingakwenzela imali ngokuthi lami ungaqashisa ngayo ngokwakhe izili amagumbo okuqasha njalo njalo. Waphinde wathi yona futhi ungayisebenzisa as security note ukuyoboleka imali kwenzela imali. So ziningi indlela ungenza ngakhona imali and create wealth using property. So wasethi namuhla ufisa sihlalele sikhuluma ngale yama bonds. Ayeke uyangazi mina ukuthi ngiphuma kanje ayiphume. Kwankomo ikhipha upolish. So lezi zinto bezingidide mbejana. So nonkosi sikubingelele sikwamukele mfoko baba.
Ngiyabingelela kakhulu. Beza nakwenkuli nabalaleli bekakasi.
Kube intokozo enkulu ukuthi sihleli nawe throughout these weeks usibambe ngesandla usicathulisa lapha about creating generational wealth.
Right.
So you did promise with this week we're going to tackle bonds.
Yes.
So I guess maybe start lapho. What is a bond in a nutshell?
Okay. A bond enyama instruments that are used to create wealth. Njoba sikhuluma usuyibeke kahle just to explain to Nkulu ukuthi what exactly were we talking about in the past few weeks.
Yes.
But it's one of those instruments which are used to create wealth. They come in different shapes and forms, which is what I think we're going to talk about today.
Okay. So anjani ama bonds? What types are they? Ngengizwe nami khulweni lapho tokhona ama government bonds, ungazi nokuthi yini ama corporate bonds, yini lesilwane esini lesi mfoko baba.
Mhlawumbe siwachaze lama bonds ukuthi there are different types of bonds.
Yes.
As corporate bonds, these are issued by companies in order to raise capital. Kahle ama bonds, they are meant for companies or government or parastatals to raise capital. Right? So you will therefore have the corporate bonds. As I've said, they are for companies. Then you will have the municipal bonds, which are issued by local municipalities, local governments, right? These bonds are tax exempt, and they obviously earn an interest, right, for the person who is investing in them. Then you will have the government bonds, which are treasury bonds. These are considered the safest investments because government uyazi ukuthi kukambalwa lapho uzothola government uzorun out of money. So that types of bonds vele zisuke zizoba zine backing.
So also yaphelele imali ofuna ukuraise imali bese khipha lawo mabond bese thina siyawathenga. Bese shutha sibe neshare nathi sibe mbobo la uthi usohlomula mase ekhipha inhlomulo.
Exactly, siba neshare lapho uthola ibond mhlambe i100 rand iqala lapho kodwa ukhipha ama bonds mhlambe u20 million. So everybody ozothenga ke lapho kufanele be neshare lapho laleyo bond leyo asuke ithengile.
Ngiyakhumbula khisha ama bonds Nkuli befuna ukunweba ichweba. Our ports.
Yes.
But lawo bantu laba njengoba selenza inzuzo ngamanje ichweba lawo bantu sebeyahlomula ngalama bonds abo.
Sebeyahlomula lawo bantu ngama bonds wabo because vele inhloso kusuka ukuthi uzohlomula. So interest rates ibond ke nama interest rates cishe kuba nalento ekuthiwa inversely proportional relationship. Uthola ukuthi ngesikhathi interest rate inyuka ibond iyehla but my ibond yenyuka interest rate iyahlile ila uzuza khona kakhulu. So kumele kubalekile ukuthi umuntu othi ngifuna ukinvest kuma bonds abe ne understanding ukuthi what type of bonds afuna ukinvest kuona. Enye into Felix uyakwazi ukuthenga ibond nje on the internet. Right?
Oh, is it?
Yes, uyakwazi namanje they started 1,000 rand and just buy that particular bond on SA internet whatever and then get yourself a bond.
Siyakwazi ukuhwebelana nathi noNkulu mhlawumbe wayethenga ibond. Unkulu bese ngithenga kuyena mina.
I know. No, ufanele wena uyithengele.
Speaking of buying and selling bonds and interest rates, Mr. Xaba, I want to know, how do bond yields and interest rates interact? And what are the implications that have investors that are looking to buy or sell bonds that where challenging economic environment is concerned?
Yeah, njengoba ngishilo interest rates nama bonds kusebenza ngendlela ethengathi yaphambana. So as I've said, it's an inverse proportional working relationship between the two. If, for instance, the interest rates are lower and the bonds are higher, if the interest rates go lower, the bonds go higher, right?
Okay.
If the bonds are higher, the interest rates are lower. Right, so kufanele ukwazi ukuthi buy, just like ade sikhuluma ukuthi you buy low and sell high, but ngalana uma ama interest rates lower, ama bonds ayaba higher, kusho ukuthi ngesikhathi wena mawubona ama interest rates lower ingasikhathi fanele ukwazi ukuthenga, because that is where you're going to make a bit of money, right?
And then what are the benefits and drawbacks of investing in bond funds or ETFs versus individual bonds? And how can investors choose the best option for their portfolio?
I think ama benefits of investor kuma bonds, njoba ngishilo ukuthi you get the stable sort of like a return.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know that you will have a reasonably stable return, but nakhona it depends ukuthi you are investing kuma bonds are government, no investor kuma bonds are money they are owned by small companies, and that have got a bit of a risk, but with high returns. Right, so you should be able to then understand that that type of a relationship and the advantages that go with each of those bonds. And what I always tell people as well, because we are talking about wealth creation, abanye bazoti well, I don't have time to go through all of these types of instruments, etc. Kunama Satrix, for instance, we should a portfolio, Satrix, where you can invest in that. Bese bekuhlukanisela these types of investments, zama bonds, zama stocks, ukwazi ukuthi imali yakho umufake nje 100,000 uthola uyihlukanisa ingena kuma financial index, ingena kuma industrial index, ingena kuma different bond types, and then bese ukwazi ukuthi wenze imali kunokuthi mhlambe uthi well I don't even have knowledge, but there are people with knowledge who can be able to assist you, nama brokers, of course.
So fanele uhlezi ukhiphe iso elibukhali ku politics, izinto ezi-affect some interest rates, for instance, ezi-affecta then i-value bond. Fanele ubheke nabo labantu abawakhiphile ama-bond ukuthi baziphethe kanjani, i-rating yabo ithini na, because that could also affect i-credit rating, bese i-impacta ama-bond investments. Imaphi ama-strategies that investors can use to mitigate lonke lama risk and also optimize their bond portfolio performance?
Yeah, you see, you are very right. Kufanele uhlale ubhekile ukuthi what is the market sentiment, what's happening in the market. The strategies that people can use is to look at your investment portfolio and appetite. Appetite ayifani. Omunye umuntu would want to has got high risk in terms of
very aggressive when I invest,
aggressive people. Bese khona umuntu o medium nomuntu ozoba very low, zothi mina ngifuna nje ukinvest entweni ezoba too comfortable for me, where I know there's a guaranteed return on investment. Okay. So those are all the types of things finally bheka uma uthi uzongena kulesi space sama bond, but kubalekile futhi ukuthi uthole proper financial advisors, because we are giving you here the generic information, but you really have to get a proper financial advisor specialized, because kuna abantu aba specialized even kuma bond themselves, right?
About specific
kuma bond. Bengikhuluma nomfowethu Owen Gombe because sisebenzisana kakhulu. We normally invite people to say, come listen to the specialist now, also to take you through the necessity of how do you invest, how exactly
are you able to redeem investment yakho kulama bonds at any time, or the specific times in the year that you can sell or buy?
Kukhona ama bonds okwazi kwa redeem literally weekly, bese kuba khona that you have to lock them in, and then return them, get ama returns after every year, because remember abantu basobe raise ama bond basobe raise ukuthi ba njoba dukhuluma ngechweba benze investment, so ngeke bese uthi ke ngifuna investment yami after 3 months, because that money is meant to be in the capital project that is going to run for the next 2 years.
I see. Hayi cha kuningi sikufundile ama bonds bengayazi inhlobo. Sengiyokhosela ekhwapheni lakho ke nonkosi ngifunde kabanzi ngale ama bonds. Kubalekile kakhulu. Nakhona I think kubalekile ukuthi sibheke nanokuthi inkampani ziwakhipha nini, uhulumeni wakhipha nini, nomasipala lo hleli khona wakhipha nini, nomasipala ubona wenza kahle, mhlambe nje ubuko wase Cape Town, ubuko wase Thekwini Metro wenza kahle, wakhipha nini wakhona. No, siyabonga nonkosi. inkosi mfethu ukunele Mbhansile ikakhulukazi mase kuziwa ngezinto ezezimali utholakala kanjani mawukhona omunye na office ukuyoncela empeleni wakho kodwa ngasese
siye sitholakala lapha ku Facebook page page lethi Amandla Omnotho.
Amandla Omnotho.
And every Sunday siba nama sessions in the afternoon from 5 to 6 where we educate people about a whole lot of things. Actually, this coming Sunday we may as well talk about other investments including bonds and invite some specialists.
We're going to talk about.
Yeah.
Sabonga kakhulu.